बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है समझना है। माय नेम इज सजीदा राजा। आई एम स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 4। माय स्कूल नेम इज फैजान इस्लामिक स्कूल सिस्टम, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to grade all elements for all level science group new syllabus mathematics book 3 7th edition. Chapter number 1, quadratic equation and functions. Exercise 1.1, solving quadratic equations by completing the square. Intermediate level B3 type questions. Question number 4. Solve each of the following equations, giving your answer correct up to 2 decimal place. So also the form of quadratic equations are written and the methods. We are going to start the completing the square method. Also the book answers and the steps are written. You can see we are going to this all of books 3. Now the first step is divide coefficient of x with 2. So 12 upon 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Now square it, put it on both sides. So here will come x square minus 12 plus 9 plus 6 whole square is equal to 6 whole square. Now solve and get a plus b whole square formula or a minus b whole square formula. So this plus 9 will be go there, this will be minus 9. Whole square then is equal to 6 whole square plus minus 9. Then yes, here we will use the a minus b whole square formula. So here will come x minus 6 whole square is equal to 36 minus 9. X minus 6 whole square is 27. So 36 minus 9, 27. So then take radical on both sides. Okay. Then make the equation and solve. So I have no space, that's why I need to remove this and I am removing it. So x minus 6 is equal to 27, x minus 6 is equal to minus radical 27. Now we will remove this. So here will become get square roots 5.1961 is equal to 5.1961. Now this minus 5 will be go there, this will be plus 5. 61 plus 6. Then get 11.1961. Okay. 1960. Now we will do the round off. So here will come x is equal to 11.20. So now here will come x is equal to minus 5.1961. Is equal to. Now this minus 6 will be go there, plus 6 equal to 5.1961 plus 6. Then get and 0.8038. So x is equal to 0.80, 38. Then 3 small, that's why we'll do nothing. So here become x is equal to 0.80. Then I have no space, that's why I need to remove it. I want to write the roots and tell you the answer. So the roots are 1.20 or 0.80, and this is become our final answer. So the book answers are written, you can check it. 11.20, 11.20, 0.80, 0.30. It simple means this is correct. Okay, thank you. No like, no subscribe, only share.